The U.S. Supreme Court is releasing opinions right now as justices enter the home stretch of the current term. One of the major opinions we're watching for is on a case that will impact President Trump's birthright citizenship order. CBS News immigration and politics reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez is here to talk to me about that. Good to see you.
Good morning, Vlad.
All right, so this case isn't necessarily about the constitutionality of the president of birthright citizenship,
Yes.
but rather it's these nationwide injunctions. Explain that to me.
Yes, so this case is about more than just immigration policy, including the question about whether or not this attempted effort to upend the longstanding interpretation of birthright citizenship is legal and constitutional. It's actually about whether federal district court judges across the country can issue rulings, Vlad, that stop executive branch policies on a nationwide basis. These are nationwide injunctions that have become a major obstacle for this administration's aggressive policy changes, including on immigration. And these are the rulings that currently have blocked that birthright citizenship effort from taking effect. That policy change would, of course, deny birthright citizenship to the children of people who are here illegally or on temporary visas. So that would be a major change. If SCOTUS sides with the administration, this could be a major victory for the executive branch and could allow the administration to not only enact this policy change, but other policy changes across the board and on immigration. If they side with immigrant advocates, that could severely restrain the executive branch authority on issues like immigration.
So if, as you say, they side with the administration, that ruling could have an impact differently across different states.
That's right. It could lead to chaos, disorder, just simply put, because you could very well have a scenario, Vlad, where in New Jersey or in the Northeast, in a federal district, the longstanding interpretation of birthright citizenship is still upheld, and children who are born here in New Jersey, New York, to undocumented parents become U.S. citizens when they are born. But in Texas and Louisiana and other districts, you could have a situation where the birthright citizenship case that the administration is trying to put forward, that legal argument, is actually upheld, and people who are born here to undocumented parents are no longer guaranteed U.S. citizenship. And of course, immigration is a federal issue, and so it's going to be really hard for a federal agency to basically distinguish between regions and states on how to apply this interpretation of birthright citizenship.
Wow. All right. So critical decision coming very, very soon. Camilo, thank you very much, my friend. Appreciate it as always.